Hello friends, this is Chef Anita at WannaBee Chef, and today I will be showing you a vegan seafood salad. So I see that a lot of people are trying to turn vegetarian, plant-based also, and they do miss the meat, so it's important to sometimes be able to eat plant-based and still get the seasoning and the feeling that you're eating something that's seafood or meat. So today I'm just going to show you how to make a seafood salad using everything plant-based. And as you see these videos, I'd appreciate you subscribe to our channel at WannaBee Chef. And also we do have cooking classes which we'd love for you to go on our website and look at them. So let's get started. What I just have here is some chopped red pepper and some chopped green onion. Those are really for some color and flavor, but I'm gonna set those aside. Let me turn my camera down and you can see what else I'm working with. So our main ingredients, the star ingredients, are artichoke hearts, which I'm just gonna slice really thin and cut it up. And this is almost replicates crab. So it kind of gets flaky like crab. So all I did was just kind of cut it nice and long. So it's flaky like crab. And there you go. That's the artichoke heart. And like so, you'll do both your artichoke hearts. Pop them into a bowl. So this is really like a crab and scallop seafood salad. And then I have hearts of palm, which if you cut it like in circles, it will replicate scallops. So we go this way. So these look like mini scallops. There you go. And I'm gonna pop those in. So just really quickly do the scallops. So basically this is like a crab and scallop salad. Really easy. It's basically no cooking and you just have to kind of mix the ingredients. You can even make this ahead. If you're having a party, you could cut it finer if you want to serve it like on crackers, and you could use it in a sandwich or in a roll, like to replace like a lobster roll or a crab roll. And it's really simple. Okay, so here's my artichoke hearts and my scallops. Okay, that's in there. To that I'm going to add some Dijon mustard, like a half teaspoon, and I'm going to add some capers. Now the capers with the liquid are important because that gives it a little bit of the seafood kind of flavors, so that's why I dropped in a little bit of the liquid. And I'm going to add some dulse, which is very good for you actually. It's rich in iodine and it's also very, very good for you. And it gives it a bit of a seafood flavoring. And this is just some seasoning that I have that's, chopped up seaweed. The chopped up seaweed really brings out the flavors of the ocean. A little bit of salt, and remember not too much because of the hearts of palm were already kind of salty. A little bit of black pepper. Now I'm gonna add some of my homemade vegan mayo. You could, one day I will do that also in another YouTube video, my vegan mayo, but this is something I had made ahead. Or you can even buy store-bought vegan mayo. And basically you just toss this all together and that's it. There you go. Look at it. So you can kind of add the seasoning to your taste, but remember, don't over salt this because the ingredients that come out, like the hearts of palm, are already in a briny liquid, and so are the capers. We can try it and it's perfect. So here we have a vegan seafood salad, and you can kind of break it down a little with your spoon. So if you're putting this in a sandwich, you could do it even smaller. You could have cut it. I just kind of kept it chunkier because I'm serving it like as a side on my dinner table tonight. But that's basically what it is. It looks like scallops and crabs, and you have the black, which is the seafood. And really what's very pretty is also that we added some red peppers and some green scallions just for flavor. So there you go, and a very easy vegan seafood salad. enjoy this, and please subscribe to our channel. Go to our website. We do have really good classes that we're offering, that my daughter and I work together, Chef Rama and Chef Anita. We look forward to seeing you there, and have a great great evening or morning wherever you're watching me, and enjoy the seafood salad. And please let me know what you enjoy, and we can come out with more recipes like that.